Humans should live without exploiting animals. Like if you were I'm here in my cage, I want to exploit and kill you. Handshake on that? How do you feel about this? What?
I've seen you on the internet.
Ah.
Yes. It's very sad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very sad.
So do you agree we should respect animals?
Yes, of course.
We love animals.
Yeah.
He wants to
Yeah.
live with animals.
But is it possible to really respect or love animals if you still exploit them for meat, for milk and eggs?
No, I don't think so.
So it's a contradiction. Do you know the definition of veganism?
Yes, I think. Well,
How would you describe it?
like to not eat animals so they don't kill them and protect them.
Yeah, it's not only that, it is the general principle that humans should live without exploiting animals. So not only like for food, but also for clothing. We shouldn't use them for entertainment purposes like circuses, zoos, or horse riding or bullfighting or whatever, right?
Yes.
So you agree that animals are not resources or objects, you agree they should live on their own purpose.
On their own habitat.
So
Free.
what do you believe is stopping you then to be vegan yourself?
Maybe.
So
Yes.
do you know the benefit of being vegan?
Not really.
So first of all, you wouldn't be a hypocrite anymore because you said in the beginning they deserve respect and you live in a contradiction. The second benefit would be that those pictures, that those things wouldn't happen anymore because of you. Aren't these two good reasons to change? Yeah? So now, if you put yourself into their perspective, how fast would you want the humans to change and become vegan?
Yes.
How fast?
Very fast.
So last question. I know you need to go, but last question. From now on, how many animals have to be exploited and killed in your name?
No.
Zero?
No.
So vegan now?
I've tried to be.
Okay.
The thing is that I just need to try again.
But let's be honest, you got a smartphone, you got internet, you got ChatGPT, whatever. If you really want to be vegan, you figure out the how, but you have to understand the why. And the why is, like if you were I'm here in my cage, I want to exploit and kill you, holding a gun on your head. Do you want me to try to put the gun away?
Yes.
Or to
Put it
decide?
away. Not to put it away.
Yeah, just decide to do it.
yeah.
Not trying, not thinking about it, deciding. So you're gonna do it, you will find the alternatives and be vegan now?
Yes.
Handshake on that? Strong. You too? I want to give you the card, so please, there's a documentary, show it to your friends, speak to your friends. Everyone needs to know why you're a vegan because we need to get rid of this. And we have to
I've
work
seen it
together.
and I shared the video to my friends a
Yeah.
long time ago.
Yeah. Then now be vegan, speak about it, be a voice for the animals because they only have us. And that's the least we can do to just leave them alone, right?
Of course.
Yes, thank you for this.
Thank you too
Thank
for
you
being
very
vegan.
much.
And thanks, have a nice vegan day.
Thank you too.
Bye.